Welcome to Carmela's Cucina class. This episode will be a part series as we're going to be stuffing eggplants. I'm going to show you how to stuff the eggplants the way that my mum taught me, and I'm cooking them for my family tonight. Now, these ones are really little ones and they're the first of the season. And when they're the first of the season, they are really, really sweet. And inside the meat is really nice and green. Really lovely texture. I got them at the market, the Bonio market this week from Mr. Mumbrigi, the local fruit vendor that I always get my fruit and veggies from. For over 30 something years I've known him. And so wonderful. So in Sicilian, in Italian, they're called melanzane. In Sicilian, they're called mulinciane. Italian, melanzane. Sicilian, mulinciane. So I'll just put the video down so you can watch me as I've just done a few there. You won't see my head. So I cut the top of it, and then with a nice serrated knife, I do like a hat. This is the way my mother Sarina taught me how to do it. See that? And then that is the top of it. And then the meat of the eggplant, you'll see I've done all the other ones. I got this spoon, it's like a cocktail spoon, and I twirl it like a drizzle, like a chisel. You know those big chisels that are drilling a hole into the clay? That's what this one's like. And you just take all the meat out of it. Nothing gets wasted. Everything gets used when we stuff the eggplants. And these ones are really, really lovely. Look how quickly that came out. So you know that they're not old ones. They're this season's eggplants. And then we will do this one's video part 1. And then I'm going to show you the filling, and then we're going to stuff them, and I'll show you how to make the sauce up. And then they go in the oven for a couple of hours, and they're absolutely divine. I'm not using meat. These ones were going to be vegetarian ones today. But if I do when I'm stuffing, and I'm going to cook them with meat, I usually cook them with pork mince. But today, because I'm doing them for my family, and I'm doing it for my husband and my son who's a vegetarian, so today they will be vegetarianly done. So I'll see you on the next episode where we do the filling, and we're going to cook that up. Okay?